back. Thank you so much for staying tuned in. Well, let's take a look at what else we have to cover. In aviation major, Indigo is all set to report its Q4 numbers. Will it be turbulent or fly high? Somit is joining in with what exactly the street is penciling in. Somit?
Well, if you see in the fourth quarter, Indigo is expected to report a strong set of numbers. Revenues are expected to be high by around 20%. EBITDA adjusted for forex loss is expected to be high by nearly 41% on a YY basis. EBITDA margins are expected to come in at 21%, while the net profit is expected to be high around 61% on a YY basis to close to 1,477 crore rupees. Now, yields which measure the average fare per passenger per kilometer, that is also expected to be higher 3% on a YY basis to close to 5 rupees per kilometer. Now, why the company is expected to report a strong set of numbers on the back of higher air traffic, higher passenger load factor and also higher yields. Now, for air traffic, if you see on an average in the fourth quarter of FY24, the air traffic stood at close to 4.33 lakh on a daily basis as against 4.15 lakh that we had seen previous year, which is a growth of nearly 4%. Apart from that, passenger load factor were also higher by nearly 400 basis points in the fourth quarter at around 88%. Oil prices were marginally lower, while Indian currency against the dollar also was largely stable at around 83 rupees. Apart from that, if you see the only overhang that would remain on Indigo post the result could be the potential promoter stake sale, which could be an overhang for the share prices. However, from the conference call, the key things to watch out for from Indigo's conference call would be the early yield guidance that the company would be giving for the first quarter of FY25, given the fact that that is one of the strongest quarter for the airline period. How the air traffic is shaping up is also something that the street would want to know. Apart from that, what is the compensation arrangement with Pratt & Whitney, what is the grounding schedule for calendar year 2024, and what is the potential new route addition that the company has planned for calendar year 2024 would be some things that the street would be watching out for from the conference call that the company will be holding today post the results.
If you like this video, then like, share and subscribe to ET Now.